Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the Translate tool in Google Docs. So let's say you've got a Google Doc written and you know you need it in multiple languages. And rather than hand translate everything, you can go to Tools, go to Translate Document, and then choose the destination language. So let's say I want to change this to Dutch. Click on Translate. Within seconds, I get a completely translated document into the source language. Now, the thing about Google Translate is it's very good, but it isn't perfect. Once you've got your translated document, it wouldn't be a bad idea to have somebody double check this who knows that language. Just because there might be minor mistakes that you don't want to pass through into the final draft. But it does most of the work for you, and so you get a very quick translation of the doc that you are interested in and need in a different language.